from export to import and even cross-strait, creating a quote to various port-to-port or door-to-door locations globally on ECU360 is faster and easier than ever. Let's start with requesting a quote. Save time by using our Smart Quick Load feature to create your quote from an existing template. Save draft or recently performed quote. If starting fresh, then general details are intuitively prefilled with the customer's default information such as your company, your contract and freight terms. Here you have the option to add a reference. Select your product and enter your desired origin and destination location details. You can choose a port CFS location or choose from our global door locations basis port name, city name or zip code. We support door-to-door rates from more than 57 different countries with pickup and delivery options. In the cargo details we require piece count, weight, volume, commodity group and description of goods in order to generate an instant quote. You can also choose to include additional information in package details such as marks and numbers, HS codes, and hazardous information when applicable. Here you can pick from our selection of additional services and add insurance. The insurance service will be automatically added to your quotation where you can define the currency and the value of your goods. Additionally, save a template or draft of your current quote or when ready click on Get Quote to view the available offers on the next screen. You can choose from our selection of offers basis best value, fastest transit or cheapest price. Here you also have the option to create a client quote or email a copy of the quotation. You can also pick from our selection of additional services as per your needs and edit your insurance details. On the LCL quote details page, you can scroll down to view the added insurance service and the cost breakdown, review the validity, routing and sailing details, remarks and terms and conditions. Click to save and email a copy of the quotation to yourself. To finalize the quote, simply click on the Book Now button and have all the details from the quote flow into the booking including your insurance selection. All quotations can be saved in the feature My Quotes with additional print and email option. After saving a quotation, ECU360 will automatically send out a copy of the quotation with quote reference number to your registered email address. With ECU360, requesting a quote takes less time than it took you to watch this video.